Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you, your online classes. Now student, we at present doing writing work of the chapter number 13. What is the chapter name? Where plants live. In this chapter we completed explanation part plus question answer and new words also. Now this is the question number 2. What is given in this question? Student, this is the extra question. Fill in the blanks, and this is not given in the textbook. Okay, so start writing. This is the fill in the blanks and this related to this chapter. Clear? So start writing. First you write question number 2. Write heading. Fill in the blanks. The first number is reason where a living thing grow naturally.
सेकंड क्लास जो भी पढ़ाता है वो वहाँ चले जाइए सब्जेक्ट टीचर के।
Reason where a living thing grows naturally is called the favorable conditions for the living beings. Either it is plant, animal or human beings. If these living things get proper conditions or proper environment for the growth, their growth, that is called their, what is the name of that thing? From the beginning I explained you about that. Two words, environment and habitat. So what we feel here? Adaptation or habitat. What we feel here? Think about that. Read the question. Reason where a living thing grows naturally is called. What we feel here? That is habitat. Fill here. Habitat. This is the option. What is number 2? Trees which do not shed leaves are called, what is their name? Read the question. Trees which do not shed their leaves is called which types of plant? What we feel here? That is desert plant or terrestrial plant. What we feel here? Or aquatic plant. Trees which do not shed leaves are called, that is evergreen plant. What is the name? Evergreen plant. This is the first and second fill in the blanks. What is given in the first number? Region where a living thing grows naturally is called their habitat. Now, the next one is trees which do not shed leaves are called evergreen plants. Means these types of plants not shed their leaves, कभी भी अपनी पत्तियां नहीं गिराते. This is the first and second number. Now student, write number 3. Write number 3. Trees that grow in marshy areas are called which types of plant? What is their name? We give them name. Plant those are found in the plain areas. We give them name. After that, plants those are found in the desert area or mountain areas. So we give them name. So what is the name of plants those are found in the marshy areas? What we feel here? Plants, trees that grow in marshy areas are called which types of plant? Conifers or insectivores? Conifers, insectivores, desert plant, terrestrial plant. What we feel here? Are mangroves. What we feel here? That is mangroves. Mangroves. These types of plants grow into the marshy areas. Why we give them name? Because they have some special features. Their roots come to upside of the water and mud. Why come out from the mud? Because they need air and their roots doing this work for them. It helps for the breathing. For the breathing, it's come out from the ground. Plants classified into how much groups? How many groups? We classified plants into the how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. According to their habitat, we classified plants into 2 groups. That is terrestrial and next one is aquatic plant. So what we feel here? How many groups? 2 two groups. Fill here two. TWO 2. Now write number 5. Number 5 is plants grow on land. Which types of plants grow on land? कौन से पौधे जमीन पर उगते हैं? We give them name. What is the name of that plant? That is called terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plants grow on land, and plants those are grow on the water. What is the name of that types of plant? That is aquatic plant. Write the number 2. 6 number plants. 6 number plants grow in water. Which types of plants grow in water? What is the name of that plant? That is called aquatic plant. AQUATIC, aquatic plant. Now once again, what is given in the number 3? Trees that grow in marshy areas are called mangroves. Plants classified into how many groups? 2 groups. Now plants grow on land. Which types of plants grow on land? Terrestrial plants. Now plants grow in water. Which types of plants grow in water? Aquatic plant. So this is the number 3, 4, 5 and 6. When you fill in the blanks, first you read the sentence and think about that. Because this fill in the blanks also help in the which types of question? Answer in one word or tick the correct option. 4 options given, you have to tick the one option. So this is usable in the tick the correct option also. So read this sentence again and again. Now student, write number 7. Write 7 number. Bamboo, BAMBOO. Bamboo is also a, what we feel here? Bamboo belongs to which family? is a grass. What we feel here? Grass. And this is the biggest plant or biggest or largest grass. Bamboo is also a grass. Now write number 8. Is the biggest plant of the grass family. Which plant is the biggest plant of the grass family? Again we feel here bamboo. Bamboo is the biggest plant of the grass family. Now, number 9. Underwater plant. Underwater plants have blank and again blank space leaves. Which types of leaves found in the underwater plants? Which types of leaves found in the underwater plant? Right, first here thin, and what is the second option? And narrow. These types of leaves in the underwater plant. Why these types of leaves found in the underwater plants? Because these plants, some much are totally situated in the bottom of the water, and for that reason they have thin and narrow leaves. Now write number 10. Oak, O-A-K, oak, comma, maple, birch are the which type plants? Conifers, fixed plant, aquatic plant, or mangroves. What we give them name? Which oak, maple, birch are the which types of plants? Deciduous plants. Deciduous plant. Why we give them name deciduous plant? Because it shed their leaves in the autumn season and winter season. And again new leaves bear in the which season? In the spring season, and flowers also. So we give them name. Again repeat the 7 number. Bamboo is also a grass. And which types of grass? 8 number is the biggest plant of the grass family. Which plant? Bamboo is the biggest plant of the grass family. And other plants also, that is the cereals and pulses. This is also grass. Now, number 9, underwater plants have thin and narrow leaves. Which types of leaves? Thin and narrow. Now 10 number, oak, maple, birch are the which types of plants? Deciduous plants. People use these types of plants for the decoration of their house. So this is the 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Now student, write number 11. Now write number 11. Hot and dry places with scary scarcity of rain are called which types of land feature? That is plain, or desert, or mountain area. What is given in the sentence? Hot and dry places with scarcity of rain are called filial desert. Now the 12 number. The process of adjustment in a particular environment is called the process of adjustment in a particular environment is called, means human beings, animals or plants adjust in the environment. They are living in their particular environment, means if the plants or animals live in the desert area, they have modified their body for the particular environment. So this is called adaptation. Fill here. ADOPTATION. Adaptation. The process of adjustment in a particular environment is called adaptation. Now write 13 number.
Morning. Good morning, boss.
The breathing route in mangroves are called what is the name of the such a types of roots that is come out from the ground for the breathing in the mangrove plants? We give them name, that is called nematophores. PNEUMATO, nematophores. Nematophores. These types of roots. The breathing roots in mangroves are called nematophores. Number hot and dry places with scarcity of rain are called desert. 12 number the process of adjustment in a particular environment is called adaptation. 13 the breathing roots in mangroves are called nematophores. write 14 number. Sundew, Venus flytrap are called sundew, Venus flytrap, bladder bird. These are the which types of plant? Fill here. Insectivorous. Insectivorous plant. Number mushroom, and toadstool. Have not distinct chlorophyll. These types of plant have no chlorophyll. These plants survive or naturally grow in the body of the dead animals are plants. What is given in the 14? Sundew, Venus flytrap are called insectivores. Now 15 number, mushroom and toadstool have not chlorophyll. So student, fill in the blanks completed here. This is the 14 and 15 number. Now student, write next question. Question number 3. Match the column. Match it. Write A in column B. Number 1. Date palm, Number 2. Needle like leaves. Now write number 3. Cones, CONES, cones. Write number 4. Spine. 4th number, spine. Now write here A, B, C and D. Desert, cactus, conifers, right here hollow stem. Fixed plant. Now student, this is the match the column. Date palm, hollow stem, cones and spines. Date palm is a desert plant. So match 1 with D. Now hollow stem found in the which types of plants? Fixed plant. Now cones, where we found cones? In the conifers. Now the spines we found in the which place? Cactus. Which types of plants? Cactus. So this is the match the column. Okay student? Date palm is a desert plant. Hollow stem we found in the which types of plants? Fixed plants. That is the aquatic plant. Cones we found in the conifers. Now spines we found in the which types of plants? Desert plant and especially in the cactus. And bubble also. So this is the match the column of chapter number 13. Today we finished 2 questions, second and third number. What we wrote in the second question? Fill in the blanks. We wrote how many sentences? 15 sentences. And this is the match the column. Now student, you read the chapter and if you have any problem, talk with me. And I have finished my lecture here. Bye.